two footballing giants, one from the jungles of South America, one from the deserts of North Africa. Brazil, the five-time world champions, the home of Pelé, Ronaldo, and Samba football. Morocco, the Atlas Lions, Africa's greatest story, the team that shocked the world. This is their history. Let's go.
Brazil needs no introduction. 5 World Cup titles: 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994, 2002. The most successful team in the history of the tournament. They play a style of football the world fell in love with. Fast, creative, joyful. Names like Pelé, Zico, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, Neymar. Brazil has produced some of the greatest footballers ever to walk on a pitch. Morocco, on the other hand, are Africa's rising kings. Known as the Atlas Lions, they first appeared at the World Cup back in 1970. And in that very first game, they drew against Bulgaria to earn Africa's first ever World Cup point. Decade by decade, they have been building, quietly, patiently, until the whole world was forced to pay attention. These two nations have only met 3 times in history, and the story of those 3 games is a beautiful one. The first time was October 1997, a friendly match in Belem, Brazil. Morocco kept it tight for 80 minutes, but in the final 10 minutes, Brazil's Denilson scored twice to seal a 2-0 win. A comfortable Brazilian victory, but Morocco had shown they could compete. The seed was planted. Then came France 1998, the greatest World Cup Brazil ever played, and Morocco were in their group. June 16, 1998, Stade de la Beaujoire, Nantes. Ronaldo strikes first, 10th minute, clinical, unstoppable. Then Rivaldo, just before halftime, a stunning volley, 2-0. And then Bebeto, 50th minute, after a genius run from Ronaldo himself, 3-0. Morocco couldn't even manage a single shot on target the entire game. Brazil were on another planet that night. The Seleção were playing joyful, sparkling, efficient soccer. Those were Coach Zagallo's own words after the match. Brazil went on that tournament to reach the final. Morocco went home, but no one forgot that golden Brazilian generation. Fast forward to Qatar 2022, and Morocco did something nobody expected. They topped their group ahead of Croatia, Belgium, and Canada. Then they knocked out Spain in a penalty shootout. Then they beat Portugal, one of the greatest upsets in World Cup history, to reach the semifinals. The Atlas Lions became the first African team and the first Arab nation to ever reach a World Cup semifinal. They were defeated by France in the last 4, but the world had fallen in love. Achraf Hakimi, Hakim Ziyech, Youssef En-Nesyri, Sofian Amrabat, a generation of stars. Morocco finished 4th in the world. 4th! Let that sink in. And just months after that World Cup miracle came the greatest moment in Morocco's head-to-head history with Brazil. March 25, 2023. Tangier, Morocco. 65,000 fans packed into the grandstand at Tangier. Sofiane Boufal strikes in the 29th minute. Morocco 1-0 Brazil. Brazil fought back. Casemiro equalized in the 67th minute. 1-1. But then, Abdelhamid Sabiri, a substitute, unleashed a rocket from inside the box that bounced off the crossbar and into the net. Morocco 2-1 Brazil. The Atlas Lions had beaten the kings of football for the first time ever, in front of their own fans. The stadium erupted. An entire nation celebrated. Coach Walid Regragui couldn't hide his emotion after the game. He said, "It means a lot for us to beat Brazil, the country of football." 3 meetings, 3 different stories. Brazil dominating in the past. Morocco writing a new chapter for Africa. Now, at the 2026 World Cup in New Jersey, these two face each other again in the group stage. And this time, nobody is writing Morocco off. Brazil bring 5 stars on their badge. Morocco bring the hunger of a nation still dreaming of glory. This clash is more than football. It's history. It's legacy. It's 2 cultures fighting for the beautiful game. Which team are you supporting? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.